Welcome back to How To's channel. So today I'm going to show you how to switch to business account on Instagram. Your Instagram, you want to switch to business account on Instagram. On Instagram there's a lot when you're on a business account. So what you need to do is once you enter your Instagram like this, the next thing you need to do is click on your profile icon. Once you click on this your profile icon, click on this this three line, click on it. Once you click on this three line, the next thing you need to do is scroll down and you're going to see account. Okay, sorry guys, I'm going to see account. Sorry guys, let me show you. I'm looking for it. You're going to see account type and choose, so you have to find it there. Okay, now so Instagram has updated their phone. So what you need to do is now you click on creator and control. Click on creator and control, and this is it. This is where you'll be able to switch. You can switch account type. Just click on switch account type, and here you can switch. Either you switch to your business account or you switch. You can switch to your business account. Click on switch. You can see you have switched to your business account, and this is very easy. And if you want to switch back, don't forget what you need to do is click on your business choose and control. Click on it. Once click on it, this is where you're going to switch correctly. You can switch account type or you can add any professional account. It's very easy. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.